In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase font size on the Pinterest app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down a bit and tap at Control Center. In here, we need to ensure that text size shortcut is added to included controls, and if it is not, now I'm gonna quickly remove it. If it is not, scroll down until you find it here in that list, and then tap at the plus button next to it, and it will be immediately added to included controls. Once it is done, you can close Settings and then head over to the Pinterest tab. Now guys, all we have to do in order to increase font size is just swipe down from the top right corner to bring up the Control Center. That's where we can easily find text size shortcut. We need to tap on it, and it allows us to change text size for all the apps or for the Pinterest app only. I'm gonna select Pinterest only. It shows me 100% here, which is default. However, we can drag it up or down to change text size on the Pinterest app. And then if we head over back to the Pinterest, sometimes it is necessary to reopen the app to see the difference. I'm gonna head over to the inbox. Now, as you can see, this text is highly increased. I'm gonna change it back to 100% to show you the difference now. We need to reopen it, the app for sure. And now, if we head over to the inbox, we can see that our text size was reduced to its default. That's how we can easily increase and reduce font size for the Pinterest app on an iPhone. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.